Hey folks, Tuesday morning, we're getting the day started and we're seeing more positive action off of yesterday's positive session, particularly in the Nadex. So those tech stocks continue to rally. Yesterday, they traded up to the tune of about 1.3%. We're seeing them up another 1% this morning, with the Nasdaq up about 160 points. Dow Jones up 270, S&P futures up 37. So got a lot of green on the screen this morning. Why? Well, we've got ceasefire talks again that are continuing between Ukraine and Russia. Nothing determined at this stage, but the talks at least are continuing, and that's giving a little bit of positive momentum to the markets in hopes that they're going to be able to come to some sort of a resolution. Again, no resolution yet, not even the rumor of a resolution yet, but the markets are starting to trade up on the potential for some sort of a positive outcome. Now, you look over at FX, we're seeing some big moves in FX this morning, some serious dollar weakness. Euro dollar up over 1%, now trading up above 112. Look at the yen, which has just been absolutely crushed over the past couple weeks. We're seeing a 1% move in the yen, this time to yen strength, now trading. If we jump over, it was earlier trading at 122.59. So again, 1% move in the yen. So seeing some big FX moves, notably that dollar weakness. Oil this morning, oil been getting hit yet again. Looking at the futures market, WTI now down nearly 7%. Right at $99 a barrel in WTI. A lot of volatility continues in that oil market. So we've got a lot of trading opportunity today. Bound to have a lot of trading opportunity the rest of the week. We've got the big jobs report coming out on Friday. We've got ADP private payrolls coming out this week, so a lot on the calendar. Let's get in there. Ample opportunity to trade some price action. Everybody have a great day. I'll see you again tomorrow.